What?
Is Daddy done too?
No, she ordered uh, potato.
Really? Ma, other place. Ma, I want to go at the arcade.
Where you want to go?
Oh, want to go, Ma.
Are you full na? Isa may mong on lunch. What is your lunch? What is your lunch, ate?
What is it again? I forgot.
It's waffle.
Waffle.
It's a chocolate Nutella.
Waffle. Chocolate waffle. Chocolate.
What is it, ate? What is it?
This is chocolate.
Yours.
S'mores.
Yours.
Nabili lang siya. Bili lang si ate.
No, we'll just wait.
Ay, bili. Ayos na ito.
So after that lunch, okay, so they're looking for, what are you looking here? They're looking for what to play. So then, they went to the, what do you call this one? Basta, musakay, mag-drive-drive. Uy, paborito ni Sarpy. Hi, Darp Darp. Go, go. Si ate kay busy pa. Daghan kay tao. Dili kay siya daghan tao ang arcade today. Maski holiday. Yeah, today is a holiday. Wala man kay tao ang arcade. How are you, sir? Yan ang tutik. Siya. Ay, ate is nagambol ko daw siya. Tanawa. Look at ate. Ano si ate daghan, winning ticket. Tanawa.
I'm Chance, baby.
Si Sarpy kay dagwa. Nag-sharpshooter na together with ate. They're playing guns. Shooting the screen. Shooting the screen is Sarpy's talent. Ate? Sarpy's talent, ate? Yeah, Sarpy's talent. Taking out the ticket. Taking out the ticket. Taking it to the counting machine. Daghana sa daog, oy. Daghana, oy. Daghan kaayo. Tanawa, nangita na sila kung sa ilang in exchange of the ticket. Hello, Darp Darp.
Hello.
Oh, ihap na dyan. Pila kaya buto na ni Daghan man. Agoy, Taran ticket. Ihap na dyan siya sulit. Ay, 550 won. Na. Yes. Wala sa kasinabot unsay change karon gutom nangitag ice cream. Agay si Darp Darp. Busy kay siyang ice cream nagtanaw. What do you call this one?
Fried ice cream.
Yeah, fried ice cream. Sarpy's favorite.
Char.
See. After
Get away from me, wolf.
eating, while waiting for Manang, they're eating at the staircase. So that is for this video and the holiday and the trip in the city. God bless you all.